Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments, let me know if you are going to shop Bath and Body Works this weekend. They're doing the buy one get one. I think on the body care is buy three get one, which nobody ever shopped that sale. Your girl need lotion, of course, but I'm gonna go in here before I jump the gun. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch everything that I post: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. If you're doing all those things, you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Like I said, I'm finna go inside of Bath and Body Works. I do have my coupon, the 20% coupon. It expires November 21st. Also, let me take this thing off because I'm kind of loud. Also, I have the free full-size body care item up to $15.50. I have those two coupons that I'm going to use today. Like I said, it's buy one get one free, which brings the which brings the candles down to like $12.50. Buy one get one free. $12.50 each. So plus I have the 20%, so it'll bring the candles probably like around $11 with tax. So now is the time to buy your backups. I'm just saying, y'all, now is the time to buy the backups, because the reason why I say now is the time to buy your backups, because on candle day you don't want to be buying those candles. That's just me and my thought process. Yes, the reason why I say that now is the time to buy your backups, because I don't want to be buying the regular candles on candle day. So sales like this, even though we feel like we're trying to save up for candle day, but I feel like sales like this, the buy one get one, it's good for those backups. I'm only buying new candles on candle day. That's it. I'm not buying no backups of things that I already have. That ain't what I'm doing. I'm only buying new scents candle day. That's just me, and that's just my plan. And $10, $11 right now on my backups is not a bad price. So I highly recommend you do the same, but you know, you gotta shop the way you choose to shop, and I'm gonna shop the way I choose to shop. It's just that today is all about backups. So let's head into this store. Ooh, it's so windy, y'all. But let's head into the store and see what we can find. See if we can find any good candles. Like I said, it's windy, it's cold. Oh, so I'm sorry if the wind is like really loud in the camera. Yeah. Also, I have my mask. But yes, today is Bath and Body Works sale, buy one get one. Today is just a perfect day for backups. Perfect day. So they are still restocking this store, because y'all know this is like the first week that it's been back open. So yeah, let's get in here and see what we can find. Man, Deerberg's is like right there, the grocery store. And I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but let me see. It's a little thing. Let's see if I can point to it. This little thing right here have like rotisserie chicken, and when I tell you that chicken smells so good, that chicken smells amazing. If you live in the St. Louis area and you go to Deerberg's, you have to try the Bob's chicken. It is so good, y'all. But let's head up in here in Bath and Body Works and see what we can find. Bath and Body Works have so many candle holders, soap holders, wallflower plug-ins for the holiday season. So I really wanted to look at all of them just to see what they have, especially since this store is newly open. I knew that they will be fully stocked on everything. But the only thing they didn't have was the Royalty Bear, the single wick holder. That's the one that I wanted, and this store was completely sold out. I really like this pine tree wallflower. It is so pretty. They had a lot of light up wallflowers, but I personally feel like some of the wallflowers is starting to be a little bit on the expensive side, but that's just my opinion. Also, has anybody tried these bath fizz? Leave that in the comments. Let me know, are they any good? So I got this bear last year along with the soap holder, so I was really looking for the other one, but my store was completely out of it. They had so many wallflower plug-ins. Oh my gosh. Anything you're looking for, you can find it. So it ranges from like $12 all the way up. You can find it if you're looking for it. They all light up. Very, very beautiful wallflowers. I really like this snowflake one with this glitter. But they have so many choices to pick from. So yeah. Be careful with this candle holder because this is the one that cut my finger last time I was in the store, so be careful. Leave in a comment, do your store still have a lot of these candles, this fancy jar candles? Because this is all my store have. I'm super shocked that these candles is selling so fast. In the car, your girl is back in the car, and I got a bag. I got the holiday bag. Yay! Finally grabbed the holiday bag, because last time I was here they didn't give me the holiday bag, they just gave me a regular bag. But here's the new holiday bag. I'm sure y'all already seen that bag probably a number of times, but like I said, I did grab a new candle that I don't have. So I actually got a little one as well. It's so stupid. So yes, I got a little bag as well. And like I showed y'all, I did use my coupon, 20% off plus a free item. I decided to grab the Pure Wonder body wash / shower gel. Decided to grab that because I don't have it. And I'm surprised they don't have the scent notes on the back anymore. But I might be late to the game on that one. But there is no scent notes. It's just the ingredients. I didn't know that. I did not know that. I actually do like this scent. Yeah, I do like this scent. And the only thing that I have in this collection is the hand cream that I got free with the coupon last month's coupons. So I decided to grab one of these. Also, since I grabbed that, I grabbed the Pure Wonder candle. I do not own this Pure Wonder. I don't know why I want to say Pure One, but I don't own this candle at all. This candle is beautiful. I must say, this candle is super, super nice with all of the glitter. Oh, rose gold, so beautiful, so beautiful. But one thing I didn't know about this candle, y'all, why y'all didn't tell me it has pink wax? It has very light pink wax. I didn't know that, and it actually smells super, super good. Oh my goodness, so good. Rose, jasmine, white warm amber, or warm white amber. I probably should have grabbed two of these. This is good. This smells really, really good. To me, it's different from this. Yeah, it's different. This one is most definitely very, very strong on cold. Floral, most definitely you're gonna get that floral, that jasmine note. This is good. Hopefully it does just as good on the warmer or with the wick lit. Hopefully. Winterberry wreath, because this is good, y'all. I like this one. I didn't think that I was really on the fence about it, but when I put it on the warmer, I really like it. Falling Flurries, this is another good one. I was super, super shocked at how good this is. It's nice. This is nice. This is a winner, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is a winner. I really, really like it. Another banger. Holiday Cheers. Holiday Cheers, y'all. I know some people don't like this, but this is good. I put this on the warmer, and when I tell you I lit this thing 2 days in a row, that's how much I love the scent. I have not lit the wicks yet, but I put this on the warmer in my little room for 2 days and started to do 3. But I was like, you know what? Let me put a DW candle on the warmer. So that's what I did. That's the only reason why I switched it up a little bit. But this is good. This one isn't as strong as that other one that we had, the that butter, I think it was called butter rum eggnog or something, that one that had all the hype last season. It's sort of like that, but it's more of a toned down version of that one. This is good. This is really, really good. This is good. I should go back and grab another one of these and another Pure Wonder, but I already used my coupon. Then the next one I got is this iced cranberry scone. Iced cranberry scone is another banger. I did this one and Hobby Lobby Kona coffee, so good together. Kona coffee and this iced cranberry scone, oh, it's so good. Love this blend. It's almost like sitting in a coffee shop and they're baking like muffins or cupcakes or scones. This is so good. I really, really, really like this one. So I got a lot of bangers today, y'all. Like I said, I was gonna get backups of the candles that I really, really love, so that's what I did. And then I just got another one of this brown sugar latte. If you love coffee scent, this is a really, really good one. You really get that roasted coffee in this, but it is a creamy candle. You get the cream and you get the coffee note, but it's not strong like Paris Cafe. Comparing this to Paris Cafe, it's not as strong, but you still get that roasted coffee. And then I will put in the whipped coffee. Whipped coffee is just like cream. To me, whipped coffee is more like a latte. It's a creamy coffee, whereas this is that roasted coffee, and then Paris Cafe is that espresso coffee. So that's how I would judge them. If you really don't like coffee scents, but you want a coffee scent, I would go with whipped coffee or either this one. But this one is still gonna have that coffee note, that strong roasted coffee note. Yes. So those are all the candles I got. I might place an order online and get another and grab a few more, because like I said, this is the time to buy your backups. And this is just my opinion. I am not buying backup candles on candle day. I'm just not doing that. I'm only buying new candles, candle day exclusive candles. That's the only thing that I'm doing. Like I said, I don't know what y'all gonna do, but that's what I'm doing. And the last thing I got was this candle holder. I love this candle holder. It is so nice, and I like the fact that you could put a candle. Let me grab one. I love the fact that you could put the candle like that and have it sitting like really tall, or you could flip it over and do it like that. I love this. I love how versatile this is. I just wish it was a little bit cheaper. I wish this thing was a little bit cheaper, because to me, this would be a really good rewards item. But the fact that it is $18.95, you can't use rewards. But I think this will be a really good candle holder for rewards. Just like that other marble candle holder, which I got a feeling they're going to eventually take that off or either raise the price. I'm just saying. So if you haven't grabbed, I don't even think that one is on the website anymore. So that one might be done until spring. So this is your next option. But again, $18.95. And because I used a coupon, I don't even know how much it was. Let's see. Because I used a coupon, it brought it down to $15.16. So that wasn't bad for this, you know, even though I feel like this should be a rewards item. I'm just saying. So those are all the things that I got on this shopping trip. Leave in the comments, let me know what are the things that you're gonna grab for this buy one get one, because I haven't seen a buy one get one in a long time. We normally get buy two get two. So the fact that they doing the buy one get one is just amazing. So leave in the comments, let me know, what did you grab on this shopping trip, this weekend trip. Leave me your top 3 items, and also if you haven't used that free body care coupon and you're gonna use it this weekend, leave in the comments, let me know, what did you grab. As y'all seen, I did grab this, the Pure Wonder, for mine. So let me know, what did you grab. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave me some comments, subscribe of course, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. And I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.